Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. If you're short on space but still want to grow your own vegetables, container gardening is the perfect solution. Today, we're going to show you how to create a productive vegetable garden in small spaces using containers. Let's get started. Container gardening offers several benefits, especially for those with limited space. Flexibility. You can move containers around to find the best light and protect plants from harsh weather. Accessibility. Containers can be placed at a convenient height, making gardening easier on your back and knees. Control. You have more control over soil quality, water, and nutrients, which can lead to healthier plants. Choosing the right containers is crucial for a successful garden. Here are some options. Pots and planters. Great for most vegetables, available in various sizes and materials. Buckets. Affordable and perfect for deep-rooted plants like tomatoes and peppers. Raised beds. Ideal for larger areas, providing ample space for a variety of vegetables. Make sure your containers have drainage holes to prevent waterlogging. Not all vegetables thrive in containers, so it's important to choose the right ones. Here are some great options. Tomatoes and peppers can grow well in larger pots or buckets. Leafy greens like lettuce, spinach, and kale are perfect for shallow containers. Herbs such as basil, parsley, and mint are compact and thrive in small pots. And root vegetables like carrots, radishes, and beets can be grown in deeper containers. Here's how to get started with your container vegetable garden. First, use a high-quality potting mix designed for containers to ensure good drainage and nutrient retention. Second, plant your seeds or seedlings, following the spacing recommendations on the seed packets or plant labels. Third, water consistently as containers dry out faster than garden beds, so check your plants daily and water as needed. Lastly, fertilize regularly using a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer every few weeks to keep your plants healthy and productive. Maximize your small space with these tips. Go vertical by using trellises, stakes, and wall-mounted planters to grow climbing plants and save ground space. Hanging baskets are perfect for trailing plants like strawberries and cherry tomatoes. And tiered planters allow you to grow multiple plants in a compact area. With these tips, you can turn any small space into a productive vegetable garden. Container gardening is a versatile and rewarding way to grow your own food, no matter how limited your space. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!